Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now, it's time for our second game, and we'll be playing Guess the Celebrity. So playing against each other, we have Shaquana and Jessica. All right, so it's Team Criggety and Team Nisha, and apparently, yeah. Shaquana kind of.
Jesse, right. Yeah. Me and Jesse.
All right,
okay.
So this is how the game goes. So we're going to put up a picture of the celebrity in their younger years, and what you have to do, you have to guess who the celebrity is. Now, the first person to ring the bell gets the answer. Whoever gets the most correct answers will win. So we're going to keep the bell here. And
thank you, Jesse.
No, put it back in there.
We're ready. Are you ready? Who is the first photograph? Put it up. Ooh. Who is that? Craig. Craig is cheating already.
Look again at answer.
Kind of look like Michael Jackson, brother. No.
Okay. All right. We're not on that. We're not on that one. Next one. Next. She doesn't know. Do you want to guess? So next one. Okay, this person was, you guys know it's Barack.
No. That's the answer for the first one.
Oh.
Then I could have made a picture of that.
All right. Next one. Who is this person when they're young? Just guess.
Britney Spears.
Close, but no cookie. Any idea?
Suzuki have a car, see? Suzuki have a little car, see?
No assistant.
Jamina.
You're thinking of Shakira now?
Yeah, Shakira.
It's very now. No. Okay, let's show the adult version. Who is that?
Taylor Swift.
Can we give her a piece of points?
No.
Okay.
No.
All right. Next.
Shensia.
Oh, hold on. Who was first?
No, she was first.
She was first.
Big side.
I saw that Jessie said she was first.
Big side.
Honesty, not you. Next person.
We're careful. Don't fight over the bell. Next.
Who is that?
You don't see it.
Who is it?
To be honest,
Just listen.
I look like Chris Brown. I'm just at the stage.
You're right.
Like that. They like that, man.
Yes.
Yeah. Well done.
Shaquana, go easy now. Jesse.
Who that? Wait. So the next one.
Okay,
Fast.
Look,
Who that?
quick. Look at the screen.
Look.
Because she's not going to know, we're going to guess. 3, 2, 1.
Well,
Come on, Jesse.
Beanie Man.
We got 1 point. Come to the audience.
You see them a fight against you.
That's very nice. Come on, Jesse. Look at who's that? Jesse, you're slow. Jesse.
See, man,
Just shut up. Be quiet, Craig.
Michael.
Yes.
Who is it?
Who
You just said one time.
Who is it, Jesse? Look, there's this other. Who is it?
You did say it one time already.
Britney Spears now.
Just remember the thing them where you say and say it again.
She said, say it one more time.
Britney Spears.
Edward.
Okay.
2 all. All right, Jesse, we're coming back. Okay, look at the screen. Who's the next person? Wait. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we say? Okay. Next, Jesse.
Is that Bob Marley?
Oh. One more time.
Bob Marley?
It's not Bob Marley. It's Skip Marley.
Bob Marley. It's a Marley.
Skip Marley.
They never said it.
She get half a point for Marley.
No, half a point.
All right, there's no half a point. Keep looking at the screen.